Are you looking for an affordable space in Toronto without sacrificing amenities, outdoor space, or comfort? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the desirable Lambton Square community, touring Unit 305 at 250 Scarlett Rd. Before we step inside, let's talk about why this building is such a local favorite. You are surrounded by lush greenery, walking trails, the Humber River, and golf courses, all while staying connected to the rest of the city with quick transit access. In this video, we're going to walk through every inch of the suite, check out the expansive main living space, tour the kitchen, step out the private balcony, explore the bedrooms, and break down why the maintenance fees here offer some of the best and absolute value in Toronto. Let's head inside. Stepping through the front entryway, you're greeted right away by a remarkably bright and open layout. We're looking at over 1,000 square feet of comfortable living space, which makes it a massive breath of fresh air compared to all those compact condos built today. The living room flows seamlessly into a dedicated full-size dining area that can easily host family dinners or game nights with friends. But notice how much natural light fills up the room thanks to these expansive windows and glass doors leading outside. If you're a buyer who loves to entertain or just wants room to stretch out without feeling boxed in, this floor plan delivers on entry level. Moving through from the living room, let's check out the updated eat-in kitchen. This isn't a basic kitchen corner. You have genuine countertop space, stylish cabinetry, and full-size stainless steel appliances, including your built-in microwave. You have your dishwasher and stove, and your huge refrigerator. Plus, having a dedicated eat-in breakfast area right in the kitchen makes your morning coffees and quick weeknight meals completely hassle-free. Now, let's step out into one of my favorite features of this house, this oversized balcony. It's beautiful. You could set up full patio furniture out here. It's huge. You overlook beautiful greenery over there. This is here in Toronto, guys. You don't see this often. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. On our way to our bedroom, we have a coat closet right by the front door. Nice and big, double closet. We have one of our washrooms, 4-piece here. Very nice. Got our tiles. We have our laundry as well. It's actually a pretty big room. You could fit some extra storage next to the machines. Now let's check out this primary bedroom. Got our hardwood floors. Nice big window there. Fit a king-size bed in here and still have ample space. A very big closet. And a 4-piece bathroom. Now let's move on to the second bedroom. Very good size. Nice window. And another double closet. If you'd like to take a tour of this property or put in an offer, feel free to reach out to me, Anthony Macedo. All my information is in the link in the bio. Ciao, guys.